The Department of Defense is drafting a new standard called the Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification. This standard will replace NIST 800-171 on all DoD contracts beginning as early as January 2020. The CMMC contains 5 levels ranging from basic hygiene to state-of-the-art. Unlike NIST 800-171, the CMMC will not contain a self-attestation component. Every organization that does business with the Department of Defense will be required to undergo an audit by an authorized auditing entity before bidding on a contract or subcontracting to a prime. Without CMMC certification, you will be unable to participate on a contract for the DoD. As a contractor, here are the steps you can take to achieve certification. 1. Perform a self-assessment to identify which level, if any, you meet. Number 2, address deficiencies, for example, purchase software, modify system configurations, engage third service providers. Number 3, search the marketplace for a CMMC approved auditor and schedule your audit. Number 4, submit your self-assessment results and evidence to your auditor. Number 5, the auditor will verify your claims and submit the status to the government. For additional detailed information, please visit ComplyUp.com/CMMC.